Hello, this short video will show you how to conduct a summary action using Python. Because Python is being used, this is at an advanced level. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So here is the Google Colab document written in Python that we will use for this analysis. The data set that we will look at is the Small Area Health Insurance Estimates data set. We've used this previously in some of our other videos, but here I am looking at a subset that includes only the county level information. I only want to include people under the age of 19, which is going to be age category 4, and also those in the poorest income category, which is going to be income category 3 in this data frame. Here's a link to the data. And here are the fields in that in this particular data table. The goal is to compute the percent of uninsured people who are under the age of 19 in that lowest income category. And I want to do this for all people in the United States. I'm going to load my data into Python. I'm going to use the pandas package, so we will load that first. This step loads the data. The shape tells me how many records I have. It's about 3,100 records, and that looks right because I should have information on most of the counties in the United States. I have 13 fields available to me, which are these listed up above here. If I want to look at the first few rows of that data, you can see the data here. Again, age category 4 all the way down because I'm looking at only the people under the age of 19, and income category 3, which indicates those in the poorest income groups. The summary that I actually need to compute is a total or sum of the number in group column, and then also a sum or total in the uninsured column. Once I have the total in this column and this column, I'm able to compute the ratio, which will simply provide the percent of uninsured children. So that's the goal. I'm going to use dfply to assist with these data verbs in Python. That's a nice package that allows the data verbs to work easily. So we will load that package, import it quick. And then here is my statement that will be used to create this summary. It's actually a fairly simple statement. I'm going to summarize. So that is the data verb that's being used here. I am going to obtain a sum for the uninsured. And then I'm going to divide that by the sum of number and group. I'm going to give that ratio a name, which is my overall percent uninsured, my overall rate. So there is my overall rate. It is at about 6.8%. So I move that decimal over 2 places there. I could use a round function inside of Python if I wanted to express that as a percent. I just left it as a decimal here. There are other summary measures that we can use certainly in Python. If we wanted the mean, we would just type .mean here, or the median, the minimum, the maximum, the standard deviation, etc. There are a wide variety of summaries that are available inside of Python. And I simply just add or change this to .mean if I would like the mean here. Okay, that does it then for a simple summary using Python. Thank you.